Wow. Steamed barbecue sauce right up the nostril. Yep. Anyway, the store had some ribs that they were taking down off of the hot bar. And so I bought them up and brought them home. Tore one of them apart. Put it in the pan with some grease from some burgers I made yesterday. They were amazing. So yeah, I used the grease. Anyway, a little bit of barbecue sauce, a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, and a small chunk of butter. Then about ready for me to dump the eggs in. I'm gonna throw some eggs in there, scramble them up with some pepper jack cheese, make me some burritos. Y'all stick around, I'll come back. Just dump the eggs in there. I went with 6. I think that's gonna be sufficient for me. Out for a little bit of pepper jack cheese. No specific brand, just from the local store I work at, so okay. There we go. Let's get enough in there to make it count that it's in there. And just like that, cheese is in it. Go ahead and cover that up, and then we're gonna start laying out tortillas. Wow. That egg sure did fluff up in there. I ain't doing too good a job of scrambling this shit. I mean, daggum, I gotta scramble this up, don't I? That's going on burritos and such. That looks insanely horrible, but it smells and is going to be absolutely amazing. Yeah, we turn that down to low so she can calm down a little bit. As a matter of fact, I can probably go ahead and cut the heat. There we go. We're going to cut the gas off for that, and that stove will go out, and I'll just let that simmer while I fix the tortillas. Alright, yeah, we're going to go ahead and get some of this out. Yeah, I laid the tortillas directly on top of my fridge because, you know, it's my place. However, if only I had some fresh pico de gallo. But here we go. Egg, cheese, and rib meat burritos. That's what I'm cooking in the van. It smells pretty darn good in here, and I'm going to go ahead and knock these things out. I hope all is well, and until next time, happy trails.